All right, hang tight 1 second.
Yep.
People of the state of Michigan versus Lain Weinberg. This is 1620910. Mr. Weinberg is appearing by video from the jail. A warrant was issued for his arrest when he failed to appear on May 3rd, 2021, when he was supposed to show cause as why he shouldn't be held in contempt of court for not paying his court obligations. Contempt of court can result in a sanction of up to 93 days in jail per occurrence of contempt of court. In 1620910, Mr. Weinberg was ordered to pay $1,095. $290 has been paid, leaving a balance of $805. And then in file 1822385, he's ordered to pay $990, and no payments have been made on that. In the case 1620910, Mr. Weinberg made a payment in November of 2019 in the amount of $65, which tells me that you had a warrant for failing to appear for a previous one. And then July 3rd, 2019, you paid another $65, which tells me you cleared that warrant for failing to appear. And then, Mr. Weinberg, you were just here in January, where I gave you 1 day credit 1 day and told you to make a payment or be back in court on May 3rd. And then you didn't appear on May 3rd. So what happened that you didn't appear?
Honestly, sir, I was working and forgot about it. I mean, I know that's not an excuse, but it's just I've been so busy trying to find a place to actually live, and without people screwing me over and paying me the money that they owe me for working construction with them. That's what my problem is. I think I'm done working through construction. Let me just go get a job. I can't do this.
And that's one of the things you're frustrated by, was because today you got in an argument with a guy that you'd done work for, and he didn't pay you, and you were relying on that, and you became upset. Yes. And so then the police were called, and they picked you up on this in the warrant. So again, you know, the understanding is you make a $50 payment, you don't have to come to court for the show cause hearing. You don't make the $50 payment, come to court and explain what's going on. Then we, you know, if you don't make the payment and don't appear, we issue a warrant, but we send it to you saying, hey, Lain, take care of this. You know, we don't want to have to arrest you. And then you don't show up either, and you end up getting arrested. So I understand you're going through a lot of frustration. You're trying to find a permanent place to live. But that's why we have that show cause. If you can't make the payments, come to court and explain what's going on, okay? All right, so enough of the lecture. I'm gonna give you 1 day credit 1 day, and your next court date's June 7th. Now that's not very far away. So we're gonna fax this to you. Make sure you show up on June 7th. Don't get another warrant issue, okay? Okay, good. All right, good luck to you. All right, that concludes our hearings for the morning.